Okay, here we have the Road Angel RA-X721DAB, and we're installing it into a VW Golf Mark 5. We're using a Connect to CTS VW002.2 along with a CT multi-lead, and I'm going to show you how to set up steering controls including telephone buttons. Go into setup menu, go into SWC, press the reset button so nothing is programmed, then press volume up. You'll see it highlighted once you press it. Press volume down, press it on the steering wheel, again you'll see it highlighted. Press seek up on the steering wheel, highlighted again. Seek down, highlighted. So in this instance we have a telephone button as well which can be programmed. So this is pick up. Press the pick up button on the unit and then press it on the steering control. Again, it's highlighted. The unit also supports mode, voice recognition, power and hang up. In this instance, on this steering wheel, we do not have those buttons. So for now, we've programmed 5 buttons. Press the save menu and it's saved. Now come back here, go into radio. We've got volume up, volume down, seek up, seek down, and you'll see the frequency changing. Obviously for the telephone button to work you'll need to pair up your Bluetooth and you are ready to go. That's all.